Hi, my name is Chris Moore with John Wayne Service Company. Today we're doing a heating precision tune-up for a customer of ours. Come on, let's go take a look. The reason for our call today is because the customer wants to get the furnace checked before we really get into the winter time where the heating is going to be needed. We're going to check it for safety and for efficiency on our visit today. So right here, always check your filter. This is very important because this is actually what keeps the blower clean, the blower housing, the furnace. All the air translates from here all the way up through the rest of the system. So we need to make sure that the blower is staying clean. Filter looks good. Customer is keeping it changed out regularly. So what we just did was check for gas leaks and carbon monoxide for the customer. Results are good. There's no gas leaks, there's no carbon monoxide present in the furnace. So we just checked the gas pressure going to the manifold. The pressure is reading within the tolerance level. That's basically letting the furnace operate at its full potential. Next, we're gonna reopen up the furnace and inspect the blower. We're gonna run our vacuum through there to ensure that it's nice clean air being transferred through the entire system. So the precision heating check is complete. The system itself is not leaking any gas, no carbon monoxide. We checked the overall efficiency of the system, so the customer is gonna feel confident getting this fired up for the winter time ahead. Well, that's it from here. Again, my name is Chris with John Wayne Service Company. If you feel like your furnace could use a tune-up, give us a call or visit us at johnwayne.com.